We had 1 second. We had 1 second. We had 1 second. Come on, you can get the lip out. Come on, you can get the lip out further than that. Yes, you can. Yes, you can. You can get the lip out further than that. I've seen it. I've seen it. I've seen it. There's Dad. See Dad? Yeah, there's Dad. There's Dad. Wait till he hears you say da 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 the first time. There won't be any living with the man. I remember wanting, because all you said was da da da, and wishing you'd say mum mum mum, and then when you finally heard it, thinking, oh, just shut up.
Mom.
Oh, Mummy, you'll feel the same way. Because then it's mum 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 constantly. Yes, mum 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 constantly. Yes, it is. Yes, it is.
Looks like Nipper wants to go out.
Oh, she just came in.
Oh, did she?
I just put her out.
Oh no, things are on the skids with Norm. I can tell you that Norm has no interest in coming to the bathroom. Hell, I don't know if Norm will still be in the picture in June. The sex is still good, but it's becoming more of a physical event than the intimate thing it is. But what should I expect from our next front run?